Your S versus your 5 Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellie and John YTT. So from here you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to 2022 sticker at highlights, and now you have to click, and there we have it, your S versus your 5. From here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. So stay tuned for that and wait until I do the story for the sticker. And once I will do that, I will show you from where you can get that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo, or you can just go to text right here to create and choose a random color by clicking on the icon from the right bottom corner. I will go with this one. And once you are happy with the color, you have to click once again on the button from the middle of the page, just like this. And now you can place your sticker where you want and make it bigger or smaller. And now to type in our S and 5, we have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. We have to click on those 3 dots from the right top of the screen. And here we have the first option, which is draw. And now you can choose a color to type in your S. And now if you want to type in versus, you can add another color to be different. And now type in your 5. And once again you have to add another color. So in my case it's like this, let's say. And once you are happy with this, you have to click on the icon from the right top corner. And if you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? From my Instagram page, once again, we have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, which will get you to my YouTube channel, and there you'll see a tutorial. And it's really easy to follow. And if you want more add yours viral stickers, you can also check my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.